again! Did you know that histidine is a superhero amino acid? Let's dive into its amazing benefits. First up, histidine is your brain's best friend. It helps make histamine, a crucial neurotransmitter that keeps your noggin running smoothly. But wait, there's more. Histidine is like a bodyguard for your immune system. It helps you fight off those pesky germs and keeps you feeling top-notch. Feeling sleepy? Histidine's got your back. It plays a role in regulating your sleep cycle, helping you catch those Z's. Now let's talk about food. You can find histidine in tasty treats like meat, eggs, and dairy. For our veggie friends, beans and whole grains are great sources too. But what happens if you're running low on histidine? You might feel tired all the time, have trouble healing, or even develop anemia. Yikes. The good news, most people get enough histidine from their diet. But if you're worried, chat with your doctor. So there you have it, histidine, the unsung hero of amino acids. Keep it in your diet, try products increasing histidine, and your body will thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and the newest technology.